Let's take that discussion on FMCG a little ahead. Mangalam joins us. He's tracking the big moves out here. Mangalam, tell us, why are these stocks buzzing in trade?
Well, all of them are buzzing in today's trading session, despite the weakness that we're seeing in overall markets. If you look at, the large names, we have HUL, Britannia, Nestle, all of them surging. Then you have the likes of Marico, GCPL, Dabur, Colgate as well. Colgate reports its numbers next week. So that's another stock that we'll be watching out for. 5 things that are working for the FMCG stocks. The first one, of course, is likely recovery in rural. We heard a little bit of, positive comment coming in from HUL when they said that they are seeing some green shoots in, rural. But it was confirmed by Dabur, who said that their rural business actually grew 2 times urban. Britannia said good monsoons, contained inflation bodes well for recovery post-elections. And Marico as well said they expect rural recovery in FY25. Then growth is coming back. Dabur said they target high single-digit volume growth with double-digit revenue growth in FY25. And thereafter, all the other companies have said the same. Britannia said they're gunning for top-line growth in 2025. And Marico too, expecting double-digit revenue growth, along with Godrej Consumer, which just shortly ago said that they are looking at high single-digit volume growth in India itself. And with growth coming in, is that going to impact the margins? Perhaps not, in fact, because the third reason is inflation is contained. Managements expect the margins to, sustain because, one, raw material pressures have abated. Secondly, all the gross margin savings last year have been spent back on ads, and all the companies are now comfortable with the ad spends as a percentage of sales. So not much to dent margins out there as well. And with all of this, the earlier tailwinds, which is premiumization and investing in distribution and acquisitions, are still in vogue. So HUL, their premium beauty and personal care business grew in double digits. Britannia as well, their modern trade and e-commerce business grew in double digits, along with Marico, where premium and personal care as well as digital brands grew twice at the pace of their overall business itself. And talking about distribution, Godrej believes that revenue from Raymond can actually grow by 2 times as they've increased their distribution there. Tata Consumer says that they will scale Ching's and organic food acquisitions, and Britannia and Marico both have announced large distribution expansion plans as well. So firing on all guns. What wasn't firing were the stocks. So in the last 1 year or so, the FMCG index has risen just 16% as against the Nifty, which has risen 25%. And some of the stocks have actually fallen over the last 12 months. So underperformance clubbed with things turning for FMCG is doing well for this sector.
All right, Mangalam, thanks very much for that. So that's the FMCG space very much in action. It's kind of referred to sometimes as, place to hide, FMCG, pharma, etc. And it's working that way, at least today, with the market, the Nifty down about 52 points as well.